Imagine rolling down the road in something so strange, so charming, and so unbelievably creative that people stop mid-step just to stare. Today, you're about to see one of the most fascinating inventions ever to hit the world of tiny travel, the vintage-style tricycle RV. And trust me, once you see how this thing works, you won't be able to look at regular campers the same way again. Picture this: a classic three-wheel trike frame, shiny chrome handlebars, retro fenders, and behind it, a tiny, fully functional RV cabin. Not a tent, not a box, but a miniature home on wheels. It's like stepping into a time machine built by someone who dreams in creativity. And the best part? Every inch of this build is designed to make you smile. As we roll closer, look at the exterior. It feels like a blend of 1960s nostalgia with modern craftsmanship. Wooden panels, curved windows, and metal trim that gleams like a collector's showpiece. It looks like something you'd spot in an old postcard from a road trip era long gone. But don't let its adorable appearance fool you. This tricycle RV is more than cute. It's surprisingly functional. Let's open the side hatch. Check this out. Inside, everything is compact, cozy, and incredibly clever. There's a tiny fold-down bed that turns into a seat, a small but efficient counter for your meals, and even storage cubbies carved into the walls like hidden pockets. It feels like a miniature cabin built for one adventurous soul. And yes, with a little creativity, you can fit your essentials: camp stove, lights, gear, without a single centimeter wasted. And look at the roof. A pop-up top gives extra headroom for stretching out. Imagine parking this near a lake, opening that top, and just soaking in the calm. No engines roaring, no crowded campsites. Just you, your vintage trike RV, and pure freedom. Now here's something that really surprised me. Despite its small size, it's not just a fun project, it's actually built to travel. The tricycle base keeps everything lightweight, and the RV cabin is crafted with balance in mind. So when you pedal, yes, pedal, you're not dragging a heavy box. It moves smoother than you'd expect, almost like gliding with your own portable home behind you. And people's reactions? Priceless. Kids wave, adults smile, and almost everyone wants to ask questions. It's not just a camper, it's a conversation starter, a rolling piece of art, a vintage dream brought to life. But here's the real magic. Owning something like this changes how you travel. It forces you to slow down, appreciate the scenery, and enjoy the journey itself. No rushing, no stress, just a nostalgic ride through the world at your own pace. So tell me, if you had the chance to take this vintage tricycle RV on a road trip, where would you go first? Drop your answer in the comments. And if you enjoyed this rare little gem, make sure to like, subscribe, and stick around.